Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my first update of my Rolling Tan project pan for 2023. I am really excited to have this project going again. I took a break during December and then I enrolled 10 products that I want to work on. And if you don't know what this project is, it's where I use my products. I have 10 and when I meet a goal or when I finish a product, I roll that one out and roll something new in. So before we jump into my update, if you're new here, hello, my name is Helena, and on this channel, as I said, I love to project pan. I love to use the makeup that I already own. I do also like to test new makeup. I have a really soft spot for eyeshadows and indie brands, and which is what I just filmed. I have this look coming up probably after this update, but I don't really know. It depends on when I will have time to edit. But I have been testing out the Pastel Roses A Tale of Frozen Dreams palette. This is what that one looks like. It's a new palette in my collection. Yeah, you will see. Keep an eye out for that video and what my thoughts are about this. But yeah, without any further rambling, let's jump into my update. So, as I said, I had 10 products in this project. Project. Yeah. Let's start with, I do have some rollouts, which is exciting. One thing that I am... what order do we take this? Order of face application. So, a very easy product for me to use up is the MAC Strobecream. This is the shade Pink Light. It's just a little sample. I finished this up within like, I think, a week, 2 weeks or something. It's actually really nice. I don't know if I would purchase the big size just because I do have oily combination skin. And yeah, my face got very, very shiny at the end of the day when I used this as a primer. But it was a nice product. Happy to have this one out. I will talk about what I roll in at the end, so I will have the updates first. But yeah, first product finish. Then I had my, also kind of a gimme product, my Colorpop Pretty Fresh foundation. I basically had, like, I was at this line when I rolled it in. I worked on this last year also, but yeah, I had this much left. And I also finished this within a week. I can't pump anything else out. I guess I could scrape it, but I'm not going to. I had the shade Fair 03C, which was a really good shade match for me during winters. It's a bit lighter, but yeah, really enjoyed this foundation. It really wears well on my skin, even though I'm oily. This one has hyaluronic acid in it. Yeah, really enjoyed it. Not going to repurchase it right now because I have a lot of other foundations that I need to work on, but could see myself getting this one in the future again. But yeah, this is also rolling out. Then I have something. I was surprised to see how quickly this one, like the progress. It's not rolling out, but I probably will be rolling this one out next update. This is my Moira Mega Concealer. Waterproof full coverage, it says. I have mine in the shade 100 Vanilla, and this one is... I want to have a concealer that's brightening underneath my eyes, and this one is not really brightening. Since last update I have removed the stopper, and you can clearly see, like, I'm starting to scrape. There are serious windowing, but we still have, like, at the end there, some product. So it's not done, but I don't think it will be that much longer. We shall see. But yeah, this is the color, and I think this is the lightest shade, so it's not really perfect for me. I do enjoy the formula very much. It's sits very well underneath my eyes and so on, but yeah, the shade is just a bit too, like, not brightening. I want it to be more brightening. So this one weighed 32 grams last when I rolled it in, and now it's weighing in at 30 grams, but then I also did remove the stopper, so that might be also part of the weight change, so to speak. Then I have a powder. I'm working on my big ass Coty Airspun powder, because this is basically the oldest one. I got this from Yes Style, I don't know, 2 years ago maybe. And yeah, it's good, it really smooths, but it has such a strong scent. I don't know, it's not really superb to use underneath my eyes, because my eyes are off and on very watery, because it's dry out and everything, so sometimes I feel like the scent kind of irritates my eyes, but it has been going very steadily. When I rolled this one in, it weighed 95 grams, and now it's weighing 88 grams, which is a serious jump, and I started up there, and now I had to redraw because I drew it too high, so the lower line there is where I am. So I am starting at when it's thinning down. I started off with more than half, and now I'm below the half of the products. So I think it will be going pretty quickly. I might not be using as much in February, because I will travel to Italy for a week, and I don't think this is the powder I'm gonna bring. I think I will bring a different one, because this is just so big and bulky. So I might bring a smaller, more suitable for travel. So next month I don't think that I will have this much of a difference, but I still enjoy seeing the progress. I thought that this was going to take eons, because it's such a big product, but it might go faster than I anticipated, so that's encouraging. Alright, then I have my setting spray. This is the Porefessional from Benefit. It's the Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Really enjoy this mister. It's a superb mister. It's like, sometimes it's even too fine, like you can barely feel it on your face. You can see how much I've used. So I started out there, and now I am there. And this one has also significant weight change. It's always satisfying to work on setting sprays, because you can clearly see the weight change. So it started out weighing 117 grams, and now it's weighing 103 grams. So steady progress there. Then I have my never-ending product. This is the ABH Eye Primer. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, still product there. Sometimes when I've used it, it's like, you know, it farts like, oh, it's barely any product left, and then suddenly it's just, I don't know, it's just, it never ends. I honestly think I'm at the very bottom. It started out weighing 6 grams, now it weighs 5 grams, but it's just, we shall see. How many months do we think that this will kick around? I think 2 months. I don't think I will bring this to Italy, because I will be too scared that it will finish before I get home, since I just can't tell how much is left. So I might bring my other eye primer to Italy. So maybe within 2 months. What do you think? Yeah, but it will remain in the project. I have 2 eyebrow things. My memory card got full, of course. Yeah, but I was talking about my eyebrow pencil, the flat brow liner from Soda. I got this from Beauty Bay. I really enjoy it. It's a very flat, kind of broad eyebrow pencil, but it's very quick to use. And this one, this is how much I have left. So basically nothing. It did change weight, did it not? No, it didn't. 6 grams. But I did draw some line markings, so you can see that is my soda eyebrow pencil. So I used half of what I had in the beginning. So I should probably be able to get this one out until next update, or don't know if I will bring this one to Italy. I will see, but yeah, it's gonna be out pretty soon. The other one, I'm sorry for this, it looks nasty as fuck. But what are we going to do? It's my clear brow gel from MINA. It's the 100 eyebrow mascara. I got this from an advent calendar, I think. And yeah, it's clear, but now it's not clear anymore. It looks gross. Because I always use this at the end of my eyebrow routine. Also, almost always after I put eyeshadow, if I have like specks of eyeshadow in my brows, it's nice to brush it through. But yeah, this has a very small brush. It's a mid product, so to speak. It's passable. I would not repurchase this one because I don't think it does that much to my brows. I like when I can fluff them up and have like they have extraordinary hold and so on. Don't think that this one has that. So I'm just gonna keep on working on this. It has changed weight. It weighed 10 grams when I rolled it in, and now it's weighing 9 grams. So slow and steady wins the race. Alright, final 2 products. My lip pencil from Kicks. This one is a rollover from last year. Look at this little nub. This is how much I have left. So it's in the shade Dusty Rose, and it works really well with a lot of my lip colors. It's just this beautiful, I can smudge it out and make more ombre lips if I want to. I weigh this without the lids, and it's weighing, it's too light now, so it's just 0 grams because I don't have like a super detailed scale. But I've used a heck of a lot on this one. If you see, like, that's where I started, that's where I'm now, and this is, you know, at the end. So don't know if I can use everything. I will just use it until I can't sharpen it anymore, but there's not much left. So maybe next time this one will be an empty, we shall see, but that's exciting. This is very old. Kicks Beauty is like no longer a brand. They have rebranded their home brand to be to Beauty Act, so I just need to get it out because it's old. Then finally I have a blush. This is my Mekka Minreal Matte Blush in the shade Charming, which is a very neutral colored blush. This is what we're looking like. I don't remember what I said. I want to finish this, but we shall see if I'm able to hit pan, and then like if it's too springy, summery, I might roll this one out and bring it back later on in the year and try to finish it up. But yeah, it is one of the products that I've been talking about I wanting to pan this year. I have a video where I talk about what I want to pan for 2023. I will link it down below, but yeah, no pan yet. Very powdery though, so I don't know. There's also weight change on this. It weighed 19 grams last time, and now it's weighing 18 grams. So it's encouraging to see that something is actually happening. Yeah. What do you think? Should I just... I think that first of all, seeing how long it will take to hit pan on this one, and then depending on where we are in the year, I might roll it out and bring it back later on. Okay, so those were all of my 10 products. Now I am, as I said, we are rolling out 2, my little sample primer and my foundation. And we are bringing in a primer and a foundation. So the primer that I'm going to bring in is also a mini. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Got this from an advent calendar. I think it was like Feel Unique's advent calendar from last year. No, 2 years ago. And I've been savoring it because it's the OG, like all people love this. It smells citrusy and nice. It is the primer that I'm wearing today. I want to use this up. This is probably the perfect time to use this up because it's February soon. And that's the coldest month up here in north of Sweden. We shall see though. Today is like 1 degree Celsius, so it's not even below 0. But something usually happens when, like on February 1st, it's like boom, below 20. We shall see if that's the case here, but yeah, I think it's a good time to roll this one in. Don't know if I will be able to roll it out because it seems to be a bit of product here. You don't need that much, so we shall see. But probably within 2 months we should be able to work this one out. So this one weighs 24 grams now. And then for my foundation, I am bringing in a different foundation. This is also mentioned in my products I want to pan in 2023. I'm bringing in my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. I have mine in the shade 103 Fair. This is so beautiful. I love this foundation. It looks so good and wears so well on my skin, but I've been like savoring this one as well, which I shouldn't. I don't want this to go bad before I can finish it. So now we're finishing this up. I think I have shook it. It's been shaken. Sorry, I'm worries my brain. But this is where I am. So I have basically like 2/3 left, maybe slightly more of this foundation, but yeah, I don't know how long it will take. We shall see. I'm not going to bring this one to Italy, so I have a week where I wear something else. Just because it's like a glass bottle, I don't know, I want to bring something that is a bit lighter, more travel friendly. This one weighs 116 grams now, and I want to finish this one up. Alright, so that's my update. Let me know if you are panning anything, how your project, if you do have a project, how is it going, and what do you think will be your success panning this year? I hope to keep on going with my primers because last year I was really good at panning primers, so I think that I want to keep that success. Maybe that like powders, because I tend to use a lot of powder. But yeah, say hi in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I hope to hear from you and see you in my next video. Bye guys!